Okay, I'm going to present to you the Tom Burger game. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is follow the instructions, which we just got the order, and let's check to see what we have to make. First, one hamburger, one cheeseburger, one French fries, one of each. Okay, so let's make the French fries. First, let's measure up 100 grams. We can measure up to 300 grams. Put the thing back in the refrigerator. Everything you take, you must put back, like the cover of the scale. Then make some buns in the toaster. Take them to the dressing table. Make some more buns. While the French fries are being made. And then we're gonna get some patties from the refrigerator. Put them on the the skillet, and put the patties back in the refrigerator. Then I think, yeah, we're going to get the French fries, and that will be our French fries ready once we put them in the salter. Yeah. Next up, you always have to do it in this order: ketchup, then mustard, then pickles. That must be the order. You can't change the order. Now it's time to flip the patties over. And put the spatula back. Meantime, we can go clean up the poop that the mouse made. Don't touch the mouse. Then we're going to put the meat on the buns. If you want to make a cheeseburger, always put the cheese after the meat. This time we're making one burger and one cheeseburger, so we'll only put one cheese after the meat. Have to put the spatula back in its place. But the mouse is interfering. It's hard to get through him. If you touch the mouse, he will lose life and you can die. And the poop too, if you touch it without cleaning it up with the broom. Okay, going to put the cheese on one of the buns. And take the wrapper and wrap up the burger from on top. And put it out into the order pantry, or whatever you call it, the receptacle. I took a cheese by accident, but I can put it back. Okay, then I wrapped up the cheeseburger. And let's put it out in the receptacle. I'm almost done. I just have to clean up that poop to get all the points for the day. Okay, we're done. Now I can click on end day and I'll have 5 minutes extra time. Okay, this is my points. You can see the breakup of the points and how I got this time. This time I got 1,660 points total. I quit, and then we can see the scores, and there's my 1,660 points. Okay, please, I hope you enjoyed the game. Please play it, and see you next time.